Hello, it's me, Crazy Rebecca, Dances with Pitbulls. Welcome to day 6 of my Crazy Quilt fabric release, as it were. Today we have 3 bundles, and we're going to start with pink. I have a total of 6. I don't have them all right here in front of me, though. This is nice and sturdy because there are 2 pieces of the curtain fabric. Can you see the texture on that? There are 2 pieces of that, and this is kind of a homespun-y. It's not homespun. I had somebody look at it one time, but it's that kind of feel. Have a small. This is a pink corduroy, a pink linen, a pink, I want to say M-O-I-R-E, moire, I don't know. Pink from a skirt. This yummy thing. I have more of this. I just have to find it. Pink from the dress. Okay, this is a weird color. Sometimes it reads ecru, sometimes it reads pink. I'm going to put it in there and let you decide what you're doing with it. I put this in because I have so much of it. I thought it'd be pretty with the pinks. This is polyester. This is a rayonish, linen-y like something. This is a satin, thin satin, as is this. That is the palest of pink. This was a dress. It's very pretty. This is crushed stretch velvet. Be careful with that. Hoo-hoo, this is a bright neon pink. And I kind of love it. I wish I had more of that. This is a very thin satin. This is like a raw silk. There's only a little piece of that. I put in a little extra because some of these pieces were small, okay? This is yardage, Joann's. This is kind of a stretch, so be careful. This is pink and gold. This is pink and silver, and I am so sad that that's almost gone. And also a pink satin. So what was I using? This one. We'll just go with this one. At this time, I have 6 of these available. I'm going to try to keep like a running list of what's available on my Crazy Rebecca Facebook page. Or you can always just ask me in the comments or email me. My email will be at the end of this video. That's how many I have. I think I could do more. They might not be exactly the same, but they'll be very similar. I stand by my colors, so I will not give you something that doesn't work. I promise. I promise. So, I have 2 other bundles to show you. Okay, these are the autumn bundles. And I have figured out that it's easier to just let you watch me roll instead of undoing a bundle and then having to do it up again. So the thing with these is that a lot of the fabrics are thin and silky, so they don't seem as massive as some of the other bundles, but they still have the same amount of fabric in them. It's just that they are thinner. It's just same thing, only different. Okay, same thing, only different. So we have a mustard colored, like a lining satin. This is embroidered. It was a curtain. This is a piece of lace. I don't know where I got it. It was in the box with some baby stuff I had. I don't know what I was planning to do. So this is costume satin. This is shiny red and gold. I lost count. I think there's 26. There's 25 or 26. A nice red. The mustard colored lace. A green cotton, because not everything has turned colors in our autumn world yet. Piece of brown satin from Colorado Springs. Dark green. This is that brown and gold. Lame. Some type of knit ultra suede in a dark sage green. This was a table covering or something. It is fabulous. Again, some costume satin. The mustard embroidered cotton. The mustard broadcloth cotton. Oh, I don't know if it's broadcloth. The costume satin. The brown and gold. A nice brown. Another gold. That's curtain weight. This was a curtain also. This is my gold that I use in a lot of things. I just think this fabric's interesting, but it feels like nylon for some reason. The red and gold. A silk. And a polyester autumn colored paisley from a skirt. Okay. So I have 6 of these available at this time. Now I'm going to show you some Shabby Chic. I was going to do a whole video on it and it was kind of slow and blah, and so I'm just going to take the last part and add it to this video. But here are these. Look at my autumn colors. Okay, so I have 3 bundles rolled. Let's do the last one together. And this one ended up with actually about 28 pieces. I added a couple more. So this is the show and tell for it too. Let's see, I have a certain way I was doing this. I like to trim them up sometimes as I go. And I'm turning, you can see them, but I turn them upside down so that they roll with the right sides out. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. When you put these up like that, that's what peeks out. Like this one I did it right, but this one I didn't do it right. But whatever. Did I say 19? I think so. 20. 21. 22. 23. 24. Added this. 24. Added this. 25. I'm missing some. 25. I see it. 25. 26, 27, 28. This is off an 80s dress. It's got that brocade. This dress. This was the collar on it. So I put a little piece of that in every one. And that's how you build bundles. And that's how you dissect a tablecloth. Now you tell me how to not care when people give me thumbs down. I don't care. I really don't care. Whatever. $20 a piece, free shipping in the USA. Take PayPal and checks in money order and cash and bribery. So, all types of bribery. Antiques. Antiques. Okay. We will see you on the next one. Let me click off. Arrivederci.